Most importers focus on the price, but successful wholesalers focus on consistency. I am standing in our factory in China to show you exactly how we produce real wood veneer acoustic panels at scale without compromising on the precision your clients demand. It starts with the real wood veneer. We don't use paper foils. This is genuine wood, providing the natural texture and high-end finish your clients expect. These slats are mounted onto our high-density PET felt. This is not just packing, it's an engineered acoustic absorber made from recycled material. Our felt is 100% polyester fiber with zero formaldehyde. It's moisture resistant, fireproof, and designed for heavy-duty commercial use. Because we manufacture in-house with high volume automation, we maintain strict control over the bond between the veneer and felt. Real wood high density PET factory direct pricing. This is the Changzhou Enhanced Advantage. Request our technical data sheet today. Good luck. Have a nice day.